Hi y'all, so today I'll be talking about what hair products I use on my horses to get their tails all nice and white. As you can see, I have this set on my feed bin, and right now I'm holding this blue mysterious liquid. Well, that is, I like to call it my magic white. I'm not going to tell you what's in it, but you can ignore that stuff. So here's what I normally use. I use mane and tail, shampoo and conditioner, baking soda, squeaky clean, whitening shampoo, and everything like that. But today I'm just going to show you the difference, what happens when I use just the shampoo from mane and tail and the baking soda, and how much of a big change that makes. In my personal opinion, it is better than the whitening shampoo. So let's get to it. So I got Thunder here. You can tell his tail is super yellow. So in that pink bucket right there is a mixture of Dawn dish soap and squeaky clean. That's the same stuff I use on his body. And so I just have the leftover of it. And so it's kind of a little dirty water, but it just takes out any particles that may be in the top of his tail. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I will get back to you when I'm on another step. So right now I moved on to the mane and tail, and so all I do is I squirt some out of the bottle and then just rub it all in his tail. So once I got a nice good lather throughout the whole tail, I will rinse off the tail, and looks like I'm rinsing off his butt a little bit, and then I will put the baking soda on the tail. So now that I've done that, I have the baking soda and Dawn dish soap. The Dawn dish soap will act like the water to activate the baking soda, and I just rub that in the tail, just really good, and massage it in there, and then I will let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then just rinse it off. As a little side note, I try and do the baking soda twice a week before a show, and then that'll get his tail really white. The more frequently you use the baking soda, the whiter the tail will get. The first time you use baking soda, his tail will still be yellow. Trust me on that, it will most likely still be yellow. But the second time, it will be whiter, and then the third time, it will be completely white. It'll be magic. So that's how it tends to go. So don't be afraid that once it turns yellow the first time, it's just be luck of the draw.